Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm pretty much going to be showing you how I created this Uno chip bag. This was a requested video, but I actually want to use this time to focus on the border and how I created the border, because I think if I show you guys in detail how I did that, it will pretty much be the stepping stone to how you can create it yourself, as well as making other borders on your own that you just can't find on the internet. Okay, so I first excuse me, I first went to Google. Of course, like I tell you all the time, Google is your best friend. If you need help on ideas or inspiration, always go to Google and type in your theme and invitations and go to image and find one that you would like to mimic and copy it. But right off Jump Street, I noticed that all of them had this Uno border like this. All of them pretty much had that. And I was like, okay, how can I get it? So, of course, I Googled like Uno cards, Uno decks, and things like that. And you really can't find a border. That's something that you're going to have to create on your own, which is exactly why I did that. Okay, so there's actually two steps, well, two processes to doing this. First, you must go ahead and create your card. And I went to shapes, and I went to the rectangle, but the one that had the rounded corners. So you just want to go ahead and eyeball something that looks good, a good size for the card. The specifics and details are not really important. And then Unos, they don't have any outline, and shape fill will be white. Okay, so we pretty much have the basics for the card. Now we want to do the inside. So let's go back to insert shapes, and you want that rounded rectangle again. And now this time you're going to do just a smaller shape as before. Put that one inside of the other one. Alright, that looks good. Now let's say we want this one to be blue, so let's change this color blue and no outline. So now we pretty much got the squares. So now we need to do the circle, or this little oval looking thing. So go to insert shapes, and we're actually going to go to the circle. Just go ahead and make a circle, and you want to twist it a little bit, because the circle that's on there is at an angle. So just give it a little twist. Oh, that look like it could be twisted a little bit more. About right there, and then just go ahead and maneuver it. This is going to be white as well, so let's change this to white. And then just go ahead and maneuver it to where it fits in, but you don't want it to be like a complete circle. You do want it to be a bit of an oval. And there you go. You now have your Uno card. Now the only thing that you need to do is you need to add a number. So let's go ahead and add a number 1, which is right here. And let's go ahead and make this first one white. We will put this one right here in the corner. I'm just going to go ahead and shrink it down. Okay, and then I'm going to copy it, because I also need copy and paste it, because I also need another one to go in the middle, but I'm going to change this one to blue, and I'm going to make this one a lot bigger so that it takes up this middle space here. And there you have it. You have made your first Uno card. Now what you want to do is you want to group all of these images together. So just hold Control and click on everything, and once you do that, everything is highlighted, go to group. And now you have this all in one image, and it is moving together. So now what you want to do is you want to create all 4 cards. You don't have to do it one by one again and image by image. You can simply just copy this, paste it Once you got it pasted, click on it, ungroup it, and just simply go in and change the color, and then change the one as well, and then group it again. Hold Control, group all the images, and you now have your second card. And just keep doing that for the yellow and the green as well. Now, in order to get this as a straight edge, which you see my border has a straight edge on the bottom, you will need to crop this. Now, if you don't want your cards being just straight in a row like this, and you want them to be kind of crazy looking like how I got it down here, then you would need to do the process that I'm about to do. Because see, if you, let me see, can you even crop it? No. You cannot crop an image that you make unless you first save it as a image. So I had to right click on all of them and go down to save as picture, save it to your computer, and then you have to re-upload the images in your program. So once you get them all, you know, saved in and uploaded as images, which I think these are, nope, see, these are the first ones I made. These are not uploaded as an image. So let me take these out, because these are the first ones. Now if I go to insert, go to pictures, go all the way down to Uno, you guys can see where I saved all 4 of them as a picture. So just go ahead and insert them. Okay, now once you got these inserted, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in. And once you got these inserted, you will see when you're clicked on one, the crop option now comes up. So now you can arrange these in whatever way you want to arrange them, and yeah. So say you want it like that. Go ahead, merge all your photos together. Again, group them all together. Save this image as a picture. Uno background. Okay, let's just say it's going to be saved as Uno background. And get rid of that. Insert pictures. Uno background. Let's insert it. Here we go. Now we can crop this as a picture. We can go ahead and get that straight edge that we need to go on the bottom of this chip bag. So let me go ahead and get rid of that. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Let's go ahead and put this into place. Now let's copy, paste. Do it again. Copy and paste again. That is pretty much how I created the background, or the border. I'm sorry, the border. I know it seems like a process, but you know, sometimes when doing custom items and custom things, the process is well worth it. I will be uploading all of these images that I have used, except for the border. Could I upload the border? I don't know. Except for the border, I really want you guys to try to do the border and create it on your own. I will also be uploading pretty much everything you see here. You know, this is just a chalkboard background. If you don't want to use it, you do not have to use it. It looks perfectly fine, just white. Only thing is you just, you know, might have to change the colors of the words, but that's really not difficult to do. Let's see. Change it black. Change it black. Copy. Paste this. But I want to flip this the other way. So rotate, wrong way, rotate vertical. Oh crap, it only did some of it vertical. How stupid was that? Now let's try this again. Thank you. Rotate the whole thing. I don't know what they was tripping on. Okay. Now, I know some of you asked, how do you get these lines to disappear? You can either go ahead and delete the whole thing, the template. If you are not comfortable with deleting your template and you feel like you need your template, you can always go to insert, what is it, square? Yeah, rectangle. Insert rectangle and just create a big rectangle that is white and just keep pushing that thing back, back, back. And there you go. You have stretch it a little bit so it doesn't. Oh, I need to get rid of the outline. Okay. All right, there we go. So as you see, I just got rid of the lines without actually deleting the template. But if you would actually like me to go over this a little bit more, because I know I did focus on the border, just let me know. If you have any questions, just, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.